First, and I love what Jim was talking about, a huge problem in the world. First, we look at what is the big problem in the world. What is the biggest problem in Nigeria now? Power, right? I heard this so many times. So the biggest problem that will influence hundreds of millions of people, we look at power, we look at a problem. Then we look at the technology, a breakthrough technology. And in every example I will talk about, I will actually look at the three circles. The huge problem, the breakthrough technology, and what is the solution? Because solutions are different than technologies. And we make sure that we have, real things on the ground affecting real people in the real world, adding real value. This is what we do. Pretty cool. I really love it.